Hello everyone, and in today's video we are in Bangkok, which is just a perfect place to show you how you can record a really awesome effect with your Insta360 X3, which looks like this.
So this effect is called Cinelapse, and believe it or not, but it's super easy to do. All you need is Insta360 X3 and a selfie stick.
Plus you're gonna have to walk for around like 2 minutes at a steady pace, so you have some enough material to work with. So Cinelapse is a part of Insta360 Shot Lab feature, which is edited by the AI. Yes, you heard it correctly. Everything is done by the AI, so you don't have to do anything. Now let's go to our first location.
So here we are. I think this place is gonna be pretty interesting.
So I set my camera to 5.7K 30 frames per second, and I'm basically gonna record a regular 360 video, so let's do it.
Okay, so we got our first scene, but we need 2 scenes more to create the effect. So let's go to our next location. So we are at Chongnonsi Bridge now, and we're gonna repeat the same process. So we're gonna walk again for 2 minutes.
Alright, so we just recorded our second scene, but of course if you want, you can have more than that. Just 2 scenes are required for this effect. So we basically recorded everything we need, so let's grab some Thai food and rest for a while, because I must say we are pretty exhausted. After that, let me show you how you can edit it using Insta360 app. Let's go to the Insta360 app on a mobile device. And from here, make sure that you download all the video files from a camera to the app so you can work with it. Once you do that, go to the edit page, and here it's gonna take us to the Shot Lab features when you can find lots of different effects for your camera. But we are interested in Cinelapse, so let's click on that. If for any reason you have some problems or you need some extra help, you're gonna find all the important information in here. But now let's click on Use this theme. In here you have to select all the video files that you want to work with. So I'm going to select this one, another one, and maybe this one. Right. From here I'm going to click Next. And my Cinelapse is just done. There's literally just a couple of clicks that you have to do to get this effect. However, if you would like to make some changes, perhaps some small adjustments to it, you cannot do it within Insta360 app. It's kind of a bummer that you cannot do anything within the app, and you will have to manually edit it yourself in some kind of a software like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, etc.
And this is exactly what I did for this particular video because I simply wanted to match it with the music. Anyway guys, for today's video, that's it. Now, if you found some value in my content and you learned something from it, then don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!